What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, instead of some Pirates of the Caribbean custom PC progress, we have for you some of the Intel Extreme Masters footage that I captured over the weekend. Hope you all enjoy, and for those of you interested, we actually have a website up and running at the moment. It's not 100% finished, but you guys are able to go on there, check out some of our previous builds that we've done, and we've had a lot of demand for some custom vinyl stickers, so I decided to add a little section on there where you guys can check that out and order some custom vinyl designs of your own choice. So feel free to check that section out as well if you are interested. I plan on having the build hopefully finished over the weekend, so expect a video coming out very shortly, and I hope you all enjoy these custom PCs and of course SK Gaming vs FaZe Clan.
He says he's going to play his heart out. He thinks his team can be better than last year. Can you match that?
That's going to be hard after playing good last year, so let's just the best team win today.
It was a fabulous win for you against Astralis. You came out swinging in that match. I said it was probably the best match I've seen since the last time you two teams played, you and Astralis. What's this final going to be like?
It's going to be very tough. I have deepest respect for SK. They have two great champions last year, so it's going to be very tough, but we're here to win, and they are also here to win, so let's have a good match.
You think it's going to take all five?
I think so. It's going to end on Mirage, and it's going to be amazing to watch.
Well, there you go. Said perfectly by both teams. So then, the kudos back, Bruno. Let's rip the roof off. One more time. Are you ready?
Exchanges. This becomes a bit interesting because Four's on 7 HP. Nico's got a chance for 1 versus 5 to start this off. I can't imagine Taco doesn't need to take this fight. Not without trying to get a crossfire set, but they're going to sit back, maybe set the Taco will be action.
Kicking off the grand final with style back, 3 heads up to the USB, and that's the boost. We didn't quite catch that. That's really interesting for him. There are 2 form for the last few months, and what a tournament he's had. An amazing grand final. They started off slow, but FaZe turned it up on Inferno, looking formidable. Nico coming to life, and we got to Overpass, and what a game that has turned out to be.
What a game indeed, what a series, and what a tournament for these guys.